Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel, The AI Consciousness. I am your host, Priyank Dakwe, and today we are going to discuss on the topic planning in artificial intelligence. This is our first lecture for this topic. We need 5 to 6, at least 5 to 6 lectures to cover this content because it is quite complicated. But before starting, I would like to say please subscribe our channel if you haven't, and don't forget to press the bell icon, and please also view our channel for the reach. So let's begin with the definition. What is planning in AI? Planning is a long standing sub area of AI. Planning is the task of finding a procedural course of action for a declaratively described system to reach its goal while optimizing overall performance measure. It means it is a decision making task performed by the robots or the computer systems to achieve a specific goals. So let's take an example of very easy example, blocks world planning. It is quite interesting also. So what does the block world consist of? It consists of a flat surface such as a tabletop as shown in the diagram, an adequate set of identical blocks which are identified by letters. The blocks can be stacked one on one to form towers of apparently unlimited height. The stacking is achieved using a robot arm which has fundamental operations and states which can be assessed using logic and combined using logical operation, but obviously as shown in the diagram, the robot hand can hold one block at a time, and only one block can be moved at a time. As shown in the figure, it can move one block and it can hold only one block. Here are also four actions that can be performed. We shall use the four actions, that is unstack whole bracket a comma b. So what does it say? Pick up or clear block A from block B. Second is stack whole bracket A comma B. Place block A using the arm onto clear block B. Pick up A. This operation says that lift clear block A with the empty arm. Put down. It says that place the held block A onto a free space on the table. Also, it has got five predicates. So what are the those five predicates? The first is on whole bracket A comma B. It says block A is on block B. Second, on table whole bracket A. Block A is on the table. By the way, you can also check through this diagram also what I say. Third predicate is clear whole bracket A. Block A has nothing on it. Holding of A. Holding whole bracket A. The arm holds block A. Arm empty. The arm holds nothing as shown in the diagram. Using logic but not logical notation, we can say that, or we came to conclusion that if the arm is holding a block, it is not empty. If block A is on the table, it is not on any other block. If block A is on block B is not clear. So friends, why we use blocks world as an example? The blocks world is chosen because of the following. It is sufficiently simple and well behaved. Yes, it is very easy for you to understand. Stack is such an interesting concept, so you won't get bored while learning. It is easily understood, yet still provides a good sample environment to study planning. That's it for today. Thank you. This is end of the part 1.